Hey students, this Monday, January 20th, we are celebrating a national holiday, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Just a reminder that there will be no classes on this day. Additionally, offices, including Udayton Global, will be closed.
But there will be a great list of events happening across campus in Dayton. So go out and celebrate this great American civil rights leader, MLK.
Hello, and welcome to Reg Room 208. This room is for our students to use, whether it's studying, eating lunch, or maybe sharing breakfast. Over here we have some beautiful blackboards in case you ever need to practice any problems. Go ahead and work that out on here. This room is available from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and we're excited to share with you.
Hey everybody, Nate here. I'm just going to give you a quick walk to the rec center to make sure you all know where you need to go if you want to come see us. So we're going to get date vision going here and let's take a walk.